आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, our question is the greatest ability of regeneration amongst the animals is found in. So what regeneration is? It is a capability of developing a new, or we can say a whole organism from the body. So whole organism from the part of a body. So that is known as the regeneration, and it is seen in basically in the phylum Platyhelminthes. So Platyhelminthes organism are mainly regenerate, has the ability to produce organism. So options are Ascaris, Peritima, Hirudinaria, and the Planaria. So Ascaria is from the nematodes. So option A is not the correct answer. It is Ascaris is from nematoda, and Peritama and the Hirudinaria are from the phylum Annelida. So this option is, these two options are also not the correct. And last option is Planaria. Planaria is from the Platyhelminthes, and this is the correct answer. And Planaria is a non-parasitic organism. It is a non-parasitic as well. So it has the ability, or we can say capability, to produce a new organism from a body part. So option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।